So let me quickly show you how to use the WP Auto Content plugin. As you can see here, we have an empty WordPress site, no post here or anything, right? So it's a completely blank site. So the first thing you need to do is go to WP Auto Content, Settings, and enter the settings for the sites you're going to use. For example, if you're going to use YouTube videos, you will need to enter your API key. If you're going to import Vimeo videos, just enter your Vimeo settings here, etc., etc. Same thing for everything here. If you want to use external images, just enter Flickr, Pixabay API key, anything. If you want to import Amazon products, you will need to enter settings here. If you want to use a content spinner, you will need the settings for at least one content spinner, spinner writer, the spinner of Word AI. And that's it. Once you enter all the settings that you're going to use, just go to campaigns, then create campaign, and fill in the settings for the campaign. Just give it the name, anything you want. For example, just how many posts per day you want to import. We're going to put 5 posts per day. If you want to select the category, where you're going to put the post, the author. If you want to assign some tags, we're going to put this one. You can put 1 per line if you want more, if you want to import extra images for those contents that don't have images. And then we're going to select content sources. All right, just click on Add Content Source and then select the source of the content you want. In this case, we're going to import YouTube videos, content source, and we're going to search, let's say, learn photography as a keyword in YouTube. All right. So we said fetch with description, we're going to remove the links, we're going to download thumbnail, and add the tags. All right. So yes, you can also add more content sources for the campaign if you want. You have a long list here of sources to choose from, but in this case, we're just going to use YouTube. And click on Save All Changes, and let's go to campaigns here. And you can see it doesn't import any. Just click on Run if you want to run it straight away. As you remember, we set it so it's going to import 5 posts per day. All right. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. It's imported 5 posts here. All right. So now let's see what it looks like. Go to post. Remember, it was empty before, and we have all 5 posts. All right. So you're going to open one of them and see what it looks like in the front end. So you can see our site already has some content here. Right. Let's see here. This is our whole site here. And we're going to see what it looks like. Remember, it was completely empty before. Now we have some content. It's going to import 5 posts per day. All right. So next, we're going to learn how to monetize those posts. If you go back to campaigns, and then you edit the campaign, and we're going to monetize it. All right. So we're going to add, for example, let's say some banner ads here. Add monetization. We're going to select the image here. We've got an image here. This is going to be our banner ad. We're going to link. This is a product. It could be your own product, it could be an affiliate product, or anywhere you want. Right? We will put it at the end of the post. Right? And again, you can select multiple monetization method. We're going to add a new one, and we're going to replace the keyword photography. So every time this keyword appears on the content, it's going to be linked to this website, which again can be your own offer, affiliate link, or whatever. So click on Save All Changes, and so this is the content before. If now we reload the page, you can see that then photography, every time it appears, it's linked to this offer. It could be this ClickBank offer, and remember there was a banner here, so it's going to appear on every single content imported. You can see another one. Again, photography gets linked and the banner appears. All right. So if you need more help, just go to the help area. You have some issues, just run the self-test. And then we have a support site here, which has a full knowledge base. If you need information on anything, just start writing here. For example, email, you're going to search for email, you will find information here. You can read the frequently asked questions, and that's it. So quickly to recap, let's go to auto content, create as many campaigns as you want, and on each campaign, just enter general settings, then content sources here, as many as you want, and finally, if you want to monetize the content, just enter the settings. So that's it, and if you need any help, don't forget to check our help area. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.